Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset the Realme 16 phone when it's locked or frozen. Okay, of course you need to remember that when it comes to the hard reset, everything will be erased from our device, everything will be lost, so have that in mind. Now let's say my phone is locked currently, and let me show you how we can factory reset it. First, we gotta power off the device, so click the power key and volume up and select power off. Now we need to boot to the recovery mode. To do it, we need to hold the power key and volume down at the same time. Keep holding. When you see the Realme logo, you can release the power key, but keep holding volume down. Okay, now we need to select our language. When it comes to navigating through the recovery mode, you can use volume keys. And now if you want to select the confirmed option, if you want to confirm the selected option, you can click the power key, but the touch screen also works. Now to factory reset, select format data. Now type this code that appears. Each time the code is different, so have that in mind. And then click on format. Okay, hit the button, and now the phone will automatically turn on. And then we will see the setup process on our screen. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.